Hey everyone, planning your next cruise? Here's a list of 20 cruise must-have essentials. Let's get into it. First, plastic tag holders. This guarantees your bags will reach your cabin. Next, a badge lanyard. You'll need your room key everywhere on the ship and to get off the ship. Often cruises have limited outlets, so a non-surge power strip is a must-have for charging devices. Number 4, reusable drinking straws. They're small, convenient, and always needed. Always bring a carry-on bag. Your luggage won't show up later, so pack all the essentials you need here. A portable handheld fan is a must. Don't forget the batteries or the cord. Cruise ships, germs, and a whole bunch of kids running around, hand sanitizer is definitely a must. Always bring a refillable water bottle and stay hydrated. Portable fan, this is for those hot sleepers in their rooms. Don't forget this. Lysol wipes equals peace of mind. Don't forget your wet wipes, easy way to stay clean on the go. Waterproof phone case, protect your phone from getting wet at all times. Even better, a waterproof fanny pack for valuables and cash. Use magnetic clips to hang door decorations easy. Speaking of door decorations, you can personalize your door with decorations for fun. Don't forget your motion sickness pills or patches. Sunscreen is always a must. I brought my own hand soap just because the soaps on board were very small. I use my flashlight for the bathrooms. You take the key off, and this is what it looks like at night. And number 20, flip-flops for the showers and bathroom. I know that was a lot, but if this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Take care.